We also have a compressible flex solution specifically designed to aid large tenants moving into new buildings unsure of their office needs. So as an example, think of moving into a building needing only 5 floors day one, but you know you need the option for another 3 floors in case your return to work mandates kick off and you also grow your company. So rather than stress about surplus space that's costing you money or not taking enough space, what would it look like if our team comes in and converts some of those floors into a flex operation that looks and feels like your own tenancy, so you have the option to actually take those floors back as your company grows? This style of compressible solution really helps a lot of our clients get that confidence for their office strategy moving forward. Attention all landlords, this is actually a great solution for you too, because now these large tenants have the confidence to actually take more floors within your assets. And imagine if we open up the flex space to wider tenants within the building also. This might be something that you want to help out with as well. So please reach out if you wanted to have a chat, because I'm more than happy to discuss your strategies in a bit more detail and even run a feasibility for your asset and your needs. Oh, and before you go, don't forget your coffee.